Looking for the best gaming headset stand but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best gaming headset stand based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. CoolGift Mart Light-Up Headphone Stand. Sleek design with glowing LED ambience that most stands just can't match. Gamers and music lovers will love the instant setup, 12 lighting modes, and built-in USB charge spots. Takes seconds to snap together, no tools, and works anywhere with a USB plug. Number 4. KDD 728 RGB Headset Stand. One click gives you 9 lighting moods for your gaming setup. Perfect for gamers who want instant ambience change or a clean look with memory mode. Snaps together in 30 seconds, holds 4 controllers plus headphones, and won't slip thanks to rubber pads. Safe, plug and play, and built to last. Number 3. New BZ12 BK RGB Headphone Stand. Love how this stand doesn't just hold your headset, it turns your desk into a light show with 7 vibrant RGB modes you control with a quick press. Perfect for gamers or creatives who want their setup to pop without clutter. Sturdy aluminum build, wireless charging, and 3 extra ports keep everything safe and powered. Soft rubber grips protect your headphones for years. If you want style and function in one sleek stand, this nails it. Number 2. CUIWHRL Controller Stand with Controller Stand Headphone Stand. You just rushed home from work, headphones still buzzing in your ears, controller still clutched in your hand, and your desk looks like a tech tornado hit it. One glance at this sleek wooden stand and aluminum holder, suddenly your space feels like a gaming sanctuary. Perfect for anyone who's ever hunted for their controller under a pile of cables or struggled to balance headphones on a wobbly stand. Grab this, assemble it in 30 seconds, and watch your gaming nook transform from clutter chaos to stylish setup. Number 1. KDD 833 RGB Gaming Headphone. Need the ultimate gaming desk upgrade? This stand charges your gear while lighting up your space with 9 RGB modes that remember your last setup. Perfect for gamers and teens who want a 360-degree rotating organizer that holds headsets and controllers without scratches. Takes just 30 seconds to assemble and stays rock solid with anti-slip bases, no tools, no fuss. Light up your room and keep your setup tidy in one sleek move. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.